Are you tired of using 10 different apps just to run your business? CRM here, invoicing there, file sharing somewhere else. What if one platform could replace almost all of them? Today, we're reviewing SuiteDash, an all-in-one business software that calls itself the Swiss Army knife of business tools. Let's see if it actually delivers. SuiteDash is a powerful CRM plus client portal plus automation platform built for agencies, freelancers, and growing businesses. The standout feature, you get unlimited staff and unlimited clients, so your software cost doesn't grow as your business grows. Now let's talk about the features that actually matter. One of SuiteDash's biggest strengths is its client portal. This is a secure, centralized space where your clients can log in and access everything they need. They can upload files, view project updates, sign documents, and communicate with your team in one organized dashboard. Instead of long email chains and scattered tools, everything lives inside one professional portal. It creates a smoother experience for both you and your clients. SuiteDash includes a powerful automated CRM for managing relationships. You can store contact details, track communication, and organize your client data in one place. What makes it stand out is automation. Repetitive tasks like follow-ups and onboarding steps can run automatically. This helps you stay organized and ensures no important interaction slips through the cracks. Another standout feature is extreme white label branding. You can customize the platform with your own domain, logo, and colors, so clients only see your brand. Even the mobile app and email notifications can match your identity. This gives your business a polished, professional appearance and strengthens your brand presence with every interaction. The no-code automation builder is where SuiteDash becomes really powerful. You can design workflows that trigger actions automatically, like sending welcome emails, assigning tasks, or generating invoices, and you don't need programming skills to set it up. Once your automations are running, they handle routine processes in the background, saving time and reducing manual work. SuiteDash simplifies finances with billing plus payments and subscriptions. You can send invoices, accept online payments, and manage recurring subscriptions directly inside the platform. Clients can view and manage their payments through the portal. This keeps billing organized and helps maintain steady, predictable cash flow. Day-to-day operations. SuiteDash offers project and task management. You can assign tasks, track progress, and monitor deadlines using built-in collaboration tools. Features like time tracking and templates help teams stay efficient and consistent. Clients can also see relevant updates, improving transparency and communication. SuiteDash also includes appointment scheduling. Your team can create booking pages, sync calendars, and automate reminders. Clients can book available time slots without back-and-forth emails. This makes scheduling faster, easier, and more convenient for everyone involved. What I really like about SuiteDash is the all-in-one integration. Everything works together smoothly instead of jumping between apps. The extreme white label branding makes your business look professional and polished. And the automation features save a lot of time once your workflows are set up. The main downside is the learning curve. Because SuiteDash has so many features, it can feel overwhelming at first. Also, if you only need one simple tool, SuiteDash might feel like more than you actually need. Overall, SuiteDash really does function as an all-in-one business platform. It combines CRM, client portal, automation, billing, and project management into one powerful system. If you're tired of juggling multiple subscriptions and want a streamlined workflow, SuiteDash is definitely worth exploring. If this review helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more software reviews. And if you want to try SuiteDash, check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.